You might be wondering why I have so many shoes here. Well, it's because today's topic is about the 5 critical mistakes you are making as a runner while picking out running shoes. Mistake number 1. The first mistake that a lot of marathon runners are making is they are buying the shoe too close to the marathon. I even know runners who pick up a shoe during the expo and then wear it during the marathon. Very, very big mistake. Even 2 weeks before the marathon, bad idea. In fact, you want to buy a running shoe at least 6 weeks before or even 2 months before so that your training is done in the new shoe. Another very common mistake that runners are making, and I see this almost every time that I work with my runners, is that they are buying shoes too small. Now there is a way to check whether your shoe is right for you size wise, right? So what do you want to do? You want to make sure that there is enough space here in the toe box. There should be space like this. There should be space here in front of the big toe. Everyone has different types of feet as well. So you could be an overpronator, you could have wide feet, you could have just the forefoot that is broad but the rest of your foot is narrow. So depending on your foot type, you should be picking out the shoe. And if you are not sure, then always go with a shoe that's slightly bigger rather than smaller. Mistake number 3. This is also very common, extremely common I would say. Runners buy shoes based on many reasons. Sales, color, what their best friend is wearing. These are all wrong reasons to buy shoes. The shoe should be bought based on your foot type. Next big mistake you're making is running in old shoes. Runners sometimes don't realize that they've used the shoe for so long or as many mileage as they have. So it's important that you track your shoe mileage and you also know when the shoe was bought. Remember, your shoe has a top shelf life of 2 years, that's it. If the shoe has been sitting in a cupboard and you just started using it and it has been 2 years, it still has to go. You have to buy new shoes. Old defective shoes can cause injuries. Please understand that it's happened to a lot of runners.